Hello, and thank you for watching this tutorial covering the SimQ VIT installation process. This video will cover the installation process, the steps to begin your first project, as well as the software and hardware requirements to run SimQ VIT. Once requested, the software is delivered as an MSI installer file through a secure download link, which can be found in the folder labeled SimQ VIT. The installation is started by double-clicking and executing the MSI file, like so. Please read through the End User License Agreement and check the box to accept the terms, then click Next. The default installation directory is C program file SimQ VIT and followed by the corresponding or current version. If you wish, you can change this file path according to your needs. Click Next. Then the installation starts and runs through automatically as seen here. Please allow a minute or two here for the install. After the installer client is finished, a shortcut is created on the desktop for all users, as well as an entry in the Start menu. The final step is to add the cloud infrastructure configuration file. You can find it next to the MSI installer file. The file name is .q azure API config XML, and it has to be copied into the directory Program Data SimQ VIT Cloud. This folder is automatically created by the installer program. You can find the location of the file easily by double-clicking to open the README file and pasting the link into the Windows Explorer directory bar. This takes you to where the file needs to be saved onto your PC. Click the back button to return to the original cloud infrastructure configuration file location. Copy the file with Ctrl-C, then hit the forward button to take you to the location where the file needs to be saved onto your PC and paste it here with Ctrl-P. After this, the software should be properly installed. If you have any questions about the installation or the cloud infrastructure, make sure you send us an email to contact us at support@simq.de. The steps to begin using the software to send a simulation project are quite simple. Just double-click the desktop icon to start the program. This will take you to the dashboard. To start a new project, click on the square with the desired workflow, and this begins the design process. Make sure to watch our other tutorials for detailed explanations and important features to get the most out of SimQ VIT. Lastly, you can find the software and hardware requirements to run SimQ VIT in the manual. Hardware requirements are for the computer in which the application runs. We need a processor of a minimum 2.6 gigahertz, 4 cores, a working memory with a minimum of 8 gigabytes, free memory of 40 gigabytes, a graphics card, NVIDIA AMD DirectX 10 support, OpenGL 4.2, or OpenCL 1.0. The operating system needs to be Windows 10 and newer, 64-bit, and of course, an internet connection to send the simulation files to the cloud infrastructure. Software requirements include the operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun with the software, and if you have any questions, again, feel free to email us at support@simq.de. Take care and happy designing.